bunch of lathes here at Twin City Gear in the online auction. We start with a Sharp 2680C engine lathe with an Accurite D200 2-axis digital readout, 3-jaw chuck, steady rest, follow rest. Moving on down, there's a Jones of Lamson number 4 turret lathe. A Sharp 2680B with a large hole engine lathe. It also has a follow rest, a steady rest, a 3-jaw chuck, and comes with an Accurite D200 or 200S digital readout. Next lathe in line is this one, and it's a Monarch 16-inch engine lathe. It has 3-jaw chuck, tailstock, tool post, and it's ready to go. There is one more lathe just across the aisle here, and it's a clausing engine lathe that they have retrofit with a vari-speed control. So it's a clausing engine lathe, variable speed, they made a steady rest, and that's the lathe department at the online auction at Twin City Gear.